my name is Cristina Gomez. Today, Reiki and energy pool. Okay, somebody asked me for that lesson of Reiki. We are going to call a energy pool. You need to see my all lessons of Reiki and start for the lesson 1 to understand how to use Reiki and how to call the energy Reiki. Okay, first of all, we call the energy of Reiki. You need to make that call the energy of Reiki. Call your spiritual guide who helps you to bring that energy. You can call your spiritual guide. You can call who you think can help you to make that, okay? I call the energy of Reiki to start work. You know, in my videos I always put my hands like that because I used to make that, but that is what create the energy pool. First, I feel hot here because the energy comes suddenly. That is because I work with Reiki every day. I work with Reiki every day, and for me it's easier than other persons. So for you, if you are starting off make Reiki, I make you an advice. Visualize first the energy of Reiki coming from the heaven and going here in your chakra. My dogs wants Reiki all the time. So visualize the energy of Reiki coming to your chakra and what to your chakra here passing to other chakras. Imagine the canyon of white light coming and the energy is passing to these chakras. Then you put your hands and visualize like a canyon of light is going from your chakra heart and going to your hands, between your hands. Imagine that white light going here to your hands and feel the energy of Reiki. I feel hot and I visualize the energy going and going to my hands. You need your time. You need to be quiet and peace. And imagine I feel hot. When you feel the hot, you can see the light going into between your hands and turning in here. That energy is making like a pool. You can feel it. If you can feel the hot and if you feel the hot, if you don't feel it, you need more time, okay? And visualize that pool is making bigger and bigger between your hands. That is the pool of when you have that pool, you can share that with people. You can send to others and help others. Send you a kind of light, powerful energy of Reiki. You feel it? You can start make that canyon of light across in your chakras again, from here and passing here, and the heart, from the heart spell that canyon of light, white light, and is between your hands, making a ball. You can make that ball bigger. You always need to feel that energy, feel the hold in your hands. You can have the ball here. You can feel your size of your ball. And you can feel the energy circulating between your hands. Then again, you can share that energy of love. You can send for some group of people, for example, to help them, to send love, to send light, to fix something, okay? I'm going to send that light for all the people who needs love. I send for all the people who needs feel what the real love is. I send that energy to feel the love to others, to feel the love of the life, to feel the love of the little things in life, to be lovely for others, okay? I make again my ball. Imagine from my chakras making that ball. I increase my ball again. And then that I increase my ball and I have my ball ready again, I can send for the people who receive the love, the people who need real love. You can make bigger your ball and you can imagine your ball how bigger you want. Okay? And you can work with that energy to feel it. You need to feel it. Feel between your hands that energy. energy of Reiki anytime you finish. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you don't see the first videos of Reiki, start